call before we are unable to lower your credit card interest rate. Press 1 to speak to the member, or press 2 and your eligibility to lower your rate will expire.
Thank you for holding account services. How are you doing?
I am doing great.
Alright, I see you are responding to get the lower rates on your credit card, right?
Yeah, sure.
And at this present time, which one of your credit card you consider you have with the major balance? Would that be your Visa card or your MasterCard? Which one you say?
Oh, that'd be my Visa.
And how much would you think you owe the balance on your Visa card? Do you have any roughly idea or rough guess?
About $2,400.
Perfect. So as of my next step, I will go ahead and make yourself qualified to get the lower rates on a credit card. And make sure today your interest rate we're going to cut down below 3% and close to 0%, and all your responsibilities just to pay the bills on time the way you have been doing in the past, okay?
Sounds good.
Perfect. So in order to apply the lower rates, I need to make sure the card you're working on is not expired. I want you to grab your Visa card and verify my expiration date, the month and the year only.
Okay, the month and the year, July of 22.
July of 22. And I see you got the same Visa card, the one begins with the number 4, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Verify me the numbers after 4 from left to right so I can pull out your billing statement.
Oh, from left to right?
Yes.
So that would be like, okay, sorry, you're having me go backwards here. So it'd be 9, 6, 5, 9, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'Are you still there? Hello? 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 Are you still there? Can you guys hear all the scams going on in the background? It's really great. All the scams are going on in the background. Hello? Are you still there? All right, everybody, let's listen to all the scams going on in the background. Oh, you realize that I found out you're a scam, right? They called me from a Quincy number. So I guess they're thinking they're smart. Anyway, don't buy it. They're a bunch of scam artists. The number they called me from is a Quincy number. We're going to call the Quincy number real quick and see whose number this is and tell them that they've been breached.
The number you have reached has been disconnected or is no longer...
So as you can see, they're just a bunch of scam artists is all it is. All right, everybody, have a great day.